So, hello everyone, welcome back to the Algo Daily. We are discussing LeetCode Daily Challenge, maximum score after splitting a string. So, in this problem, we have given a string S, and which is denoted here 0 and 1s. And after returning the maximum score after splitting the string into two non-empty substrings like left substring and right substrings. Okay, so uh, our problem statement is basically we have given a string s and we have splitting into non-empty substring. Like non-empty is basically our left substring and is this our right substring is non-empty. Okay, at least one element is present. And similarly, we have given a string of 0 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, so here we have given 0 as a left and 1 as a right. Okay, 0 as our left and 1 is our right. So uh, the basic approach of to solve this problem is to iterate over the string and count 0 as a left and 1 as a right substring after splitting the operations. Okay, so uh, our string is 0 1 1 1 0 and 1. So our initial is like first we have like count of 1 is our 4. First we have count our ones, and after once we have iterating all of the elements like count initially. Let's suppose we have at this point. Okay, so I is equal to 0 and s of 0 is equal to 0 here. Okay, so we have our 0 count, 0 is equal to 0 and 1 is we have also calculating here is 4. Okay, okay, so next we have to count in our left substring is 0 element, and in our right is as 1 element. Okay, so here we have getting 0 is equal to 0 we have defining. After iterating here 0 plus plus we have here 2, we have getting 1. Okay, and uh, we have exclude 0 and remain is 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, 1 1 0 1. So here we have left side we have getting 0, and in our right side we have getting, in right side we have only calculate 1 not 0, and same as left side we have calculating only 0 not 1. So in right side we have getting 4 4 ones. Okay, so uh, our score is 1, sorry, here is 1, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So the maximum of 0 comma our score. Okay, our score is equal to 5. So we have getting here 5. And in our next iteration, uh, we have calculating to split into two similar parts. Like uh, 0 is calculating here. Now we have iterating our next element. So in this scenario, we have I is equal to 1 and s of 1 is equal to 1. So our operation is 1 minus minus to uh, get the one position in previous left state. So one count is here is 3, like here is only 3 ones is remain, like our our string is 0 1 1 1 0 and 1. Okay, so 1 is excluding here, and we have iterating in our left side. So the string is basically 0 1 and 1 1 0 and 1. So the score of 0 sorry 1 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 0 is 1 and 1 count is 3. So the answer is equal to 4. So maximum of now the maximum of above we have getting here 5. Let's suppose okay this 5 and this 4 is equal to maximum is equal to 5. So after performing all these operations, we have getting in next iteration. Like in next iteration, we have getting after excluding 1 minus minus, we have getting 0 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, so the count of 0 is equal to 1 and 1 count is equal to 2. So the answer is equal to 3, and maximum of 5 comma 3 is equal to 5. Okay, so same as our next iteration, like in next iteration we have getting 0 1 1 1 0 1. So here the 0 count is 0 and 1 count is 1. So the answer is equal to 1. So the total, sorry, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the total is equal to 2, and the maximum of 5 comma 2 is equal to 5. Okay, and after performing next iteration like 0 1 1 1 0 1, so here now our count, like here we have also performing 1 minus minus. Okay, here also we performing 1 minus minus. Here we have getting 0. Here we have performing 0 count of 2 and 1 count is equal to 1, and the answer is equal to maximum of 3 comma 5 is equal to 5. Okay, so basically we have to find how many operations we have performing, and after performing all operations we have find the maximum of maximum uh, substrings how we can get, and substring like 0 and 1 form. Okay, so the code of this solution is basically we have first we have to count 1 for all the element. We have to count 1 here to store the total count of 1 in the string, and next we have to track the maximum score. Okay, we have to here we have to track the maximum score, and so next iteration we have to performing a for loop for s minus 1 to remain one element is presenting in left side, because we have given here to maximum score after splitting non-empty, both side non-empty. Okay, so that's why we have using here n minus 1 form. Okay, so next we have to iterate s of I is equal to 1, because of the current element of the 1 shift from the right part to the left part. Okay, so this line is performing uh, that kind of operation, and next we have here uh, like 0 plus plus is basically used for the current element of 0 is now the part of the left part So increase the count of the number of zeros. Okay. So next we have performing here to maximum, like maximum of 0 plus 1. Here we have getting like 0 1 1 0 1. So after splitting here we have count of 0 is equal to 1 and 1 count of 3. So total operation is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So this is the maximum in this time. So after performing next operation with 0 1 and 1 0 1, so here count of 0 is equal to 1 and the count of 1 is equal to 2. So the answer is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to, sorry, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So the maximum of 3 comma 4 is equal to 4. So the maximum of here is 4. Okay, after performing all the operations. So uh, this is the easy question for maximum score after splitting a string. So thank you everyone. Thank you.